Today we are going to do French with Beau and Poodle. Beau, and did you know that Beau means beautiful in French? That's right. Anyway, let's start. We're going to do only numbers from 1 to 10 in French or en français. Les nombres. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. Well done, Beau. You get a sticker. Don't worry, you get a sticker as well.
Yes!
I'm going to show you images. Whenever you see a number, say it in French. Are you ready? Go! Deux. Neuf. Well done. You get another sticker. And this time, a bigger one. 2 stickers. One on that and another on the other side. Well done, Poodle. Well done, Poodle. My doctor's hat. She got a sticker on her doctor's hat.